Book reading part. Cell, the basic unit of life. Two basic type of cells, eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cells. Difference between eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells. Eu means true. Karyon, nucleus. Nucleus is distinct with a well-formed nuclear membrane. Prokaryotic cells. Pro means early and karyon means primitive. Nucleus is not distinct in the form of nuclear zone, nucleoid. Nuclear membrane is absent. So, here in eukaryotic cell, nucleus is clear and it is covered by nuclear membrane. But in prokaryotic cell, nucleus is not clear, but there is nucleus like structure is there, that is called nucleoid. But there is no nuclear membrane around that nucleoid. The second point, double membrane cell organelles, chloroplast, mitochondria, nucleus and single membrane, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, vacuole, endoplasmic reticulum are present. So, we said no, eukaryotic cell we can find in plant and animals. So, it is a complex structure also, so that double membrane are there to protect the cell organelle. Membrane is nothing but layer. In the first layer, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, vacuole, endoplasmic reticulum. These and all will come in first layer. In the second layer, chloroplast, mitochondria, nucleus. These all come in second layer. Prokaryotic cells find in bacteria. So it is a single cell organism and also single membrane is there, single layer only there to protect all the cell organelles. Ribosomes 80S, ribosomes 70S is nothing but the S is nothing but Swartberg unit. The how fast the ribosomes are. So to measure Swartberg unit is there. Distinct compartments in the cell, the cytoplasm and nucleus. Here in eukaryotic cell, so many compartment means division. So many divisions are there, but in prokaryotic cell, there is no compartment. Depending upon the species, number of chromosomes per nucleus varies from 2 to many. So, in eukaryotic cell, there are many number of chromosomes are there, but in prokaryotic cell, only one chromosome is present. Each chromosome is linear with its two ends free. Linear means straight. The chromosomes are straight because to convey the DNA information to the child. But there in a prokaryotic cell, the chromosome is circular. Each chromosome has one linear and double-stranded DNA complex with histones. Stranded is nothing but coil-like structure, okay? Double coil-like structure in order to send the DNA information in a proper way. But there in a prokaryotic cell, only single layer is present to carry the DNA information. And each chromosome has one centromere that divides a chromosome into two arms. However, if the centromere is terminal, the chromosome would have only one arm. So, we shown in the slide, X-like structure is called chromosome. The center point of the chromosome is called centromere, and it will be dividing in the chromosome into two arms. But if the centromere is end means there is no arms. But in prokaryotic cell, there is no centromere, so there is no any other arms. Okay, clear no? So all over the points, cell wall is present in prokaryotic cell, cell wall is present in eukaryotic cell, but only in plant cell, not in animal cell. Example for prokaryotic cell, bacteria. Example for eukaryotic cell, plant and animals. Nucleus is absent in prokaryotic cell. Nucleus is present in eukaryotic cell. Golgi body is absent in prokaryotic cell. Golgi body is present in eukaryotic cell. Number of chromosomes only one in prokaryotic cell, and number of chromosomes only one in more than one is in eukaryotic cell. Number of chromosomes only one in prokaryotic cell. Number of chromosomes more than one in eukaryotic cell. In prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell, we can see the complex picture in eukaryotic cell. Okay, and eukaryotic cell only older when compared to prokaryotic cell. Now, plant cell and animal cell. Cell wall is present in cellulose external to membrane. So here in plant cell wall is present, but in animal cell, no cell wall. Okay. Vacuoles are usually large. So larger vacuoles are present in plant cell. There is no vacuoles in animal cell. If it is present also, it is very small. Plastid are absent. So what is the function of cell wall? It is used to protect the cell. What is the function of vacuole? It is used to store the chemical compounds of food. Plastid. What is the function of plastid? It only giving the color to the plants. So it is not available in animal cell. Golgi bodies are present in the form of unit called dictyosomes. Golgi bodies are well developed in animal cell having two cisternae. Centriole. Centriole is absent in plant cell. Centriole is present in animal cell. So, what is the function of centriole? Centriole is used for cell division in animal cells. Detailed question. Difference between plant cell and animal cell. Cell wall is present in cellulose external to cell membrane. No cell wall, outermost structure of cell membrane or plasma membrane. Vacuoles are usually large. Generally, vacuoles are absent and if present are usually small. Plastids are present. Plastids are absent. Golgi bodies are present in the form of units known as dictyosomes. Golgi bodies are well developed, have two cisternae. Difference between eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell, nucleus is distinct with a well-formed nuclear membrane. Prokaryotic cell, nucleus is not distinct. It is in the form of nuclear zone, nucleoid. Nuclear membrane is absent. Double membrane cell organelles, chloroplast, mitochondria, nucleus and single membrane. Golgi apparatus, lysosome, vacuole, endoplasmic reticulum are present. Single membrane cell bodies like mesosomes present, endoplasmic mesosomes present, endoplasmic reticulum, plastid, mitochondria, microbodies like lysosomes and Golgi bodies are present. Ribosomes 80S, ribosomes 70S. S refers to Swedberg unit. Distinct compartment in the cell, the cytoplasm and nucleus, no compartment. Depending upon the species, number of chromosomes per nucleus varies from 2 to many. There is only one chromosome per cell. So these are the two home test question and also class work. Difference between plant cell and animal cell. The second question is difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Now worksheet explanation. Cell, the basic unit of life. Think and answer. Do all living things have cell? Yes or no? What is a cell? The definition for cell. Observe the following picture and answer the questions. So the cell, okay. Cell A is refers to, name the cell A, whether it is prokaryotic cell or eukaryotic cell. Name the cell B, whether it is a prokaryotic cell or eukaryotic cell. In the above, which type of cell is more complicated? Okay, by seeing the picture itself, we can tell which picture is more complicated or complex. Which type of cell is older? We'll discuss in the next class, no? Okay. Complete the following table. Here, cell organelles are given. You have to write in what form it is present in prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Okay. Okay, children. So I hope you will complete this worksheet soon. Thank you, children.